2016 Honda CRV front wheel drive, and today we're going to be knocking out those rear struts. Let's get to it. All right, first thing we're going to do obviously is go ahead and remove this tire. Held on with 5 19mm lug nuts. Let's go ahead and remove our sway bar link. It is a 14mm. Hopefully we'll get lucky and these won't free spin. Nope, they're free spinning. If yours try to spin on you, go ahead and get yourself a hefty pair of pliers. These are some channel locks I use for almost everything. And with the sway bar link removed, we can go ahead and remove the lower bolt for our strut. It is a 17mm. Sometimes you'll have your bolt get a little cockeyed and won't want to come out. Get yourself a punch and a hammer. Alright, next we can go ahead and jump into the back of this trunk. And it might be a little bit hard to tell, but there is a access panel right here. Let's see if I can't find anywhere to get my hand on it. Which it doesn't look like it's going to happen, so I'm going to go ahead and get myself an interior tool real quick. Alright, got myself my trusty interior toolkit. And you can see these bolts right here, and the other one's right there. Those are your upper strut bolts. They are 14mm. And while I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and knock out the other side so that I don't have to climb in and out of here multiple times. And with those top bolts removed, we can go ahead, reach in here, secure it by grabbing from the top with your left hand and from the bottom with your right. And with your right hand, you're going to push this forward and it's going to slide out like so. And there's our strut removal. All right, and go ahead and install our new strut. We're going to come in exactly how we removed the old one. And slide this into place. All right, I'm gonna grab myself a pry bar. I'm gonna put it between the strut and the lower control arm. I'm gonna use that to try to line up where the lower bolt goes. And go ahead and put that bolt down. 17mm. All right, that's pretty much all there is to it. Quick tips if you're wondering how I got that bolt in so easily. Make sure you disconnect both your sway bar links. As you can see, I've taken both of them off. So my sway bar is not fighting anything. That makes it a little bit easier for both sides. But other than that, you might need to use a pry bar to line up the lower bolt. either putting it in here, or you might need to rest it up top here against the bottom plate of the coil. Other than that, it's not really a difficult job. It's actually a pretty quick and easy job, as long as you take your time lining things up. Important thing is that you saw me tapping this in with a hammer. Don't go nuts on that, because you could damage the threads in this welded on nut right here. Just kind of lightly tap it halfway in with your hammer, and then send it the rest of the way with your impact or whatever tool you're using. Other than that, if this video helped you out and you'd like to see more videos on this vehicle, check that one out next. I made that one just for you. Other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time.